Today, we're diving into an exciting unboxing experience, the brand new Apple Watch Ultra. From the moment this package arrived, I couldn't wait to share it with you, so let's get right into it. First up, let's take a look at the packaging. Apple never fails to impress with their sleek minimalist design, and the Apple Watch Ultra is no exception. The box is a bit different from previous models, more refined, with the iconic Apple logo front and center. It's clear right away that this is something special, something new. So let's go ahead and open it up. As we unbox it, we're greeted with a booklet. This is essentially the guide. It's not just any manual, it's beautifully crafted, providing a quick rundown of everything you need to know about your new Apple Watch Ultra. It explains where to find the action button, how to assemble and adjust the loop, and even gives you a clear guide on how to charge the device. This isn't just any basic guide, it's a thoughtful introduction to all the main features that make this watch a standout. One thing I found interesting is the detail about the display options. Apple has always been known for their crystal clear, vibrant displays, and it seems they've stepped it up a notch with the Ultra. But we'll save the nitty-gritty details for another video where we can explore every button and function this watch has to offer. For now, let's keep unboxing. Moving on to the main event. Inside the box, we actually have two smaller boxes. One holds the watch itself and the other contains the loop or band, depending on the style you've chosen. This attention to detail really shows Apple's commitment to a personalized experience, letting you mix and match to your preference. Now let's open the watch box. Here it is, the Apple Watch Ultra, designed by Apple in California. The watch is paired with a charger, and as expected, it's a USB-C connection. My previous watch, which was a Series 6, had the standard USB, but Apple has now upgraded to USB-C, aligning with the trend towards faster, more efficient charging. Let's talk about the watch itself. At first glance, you'll notice it's a bit heavier than previous models. This is a 49mm watch, which is significantly larger than what you might be used to if you've owned earlier versions. Apple has offered multiple size options in the past, but with the Ultra, they've really pushed the envelope with this larger, more robust design. When you flip the watch over, you'll notice the sensors on the back. These aren't just for show, they're there to monitor your health metrics, including your heart rate, among other things. There's a basic detector, but also an advanced sensor, which I believe is for more precise tracking, especially during intense physical activity. This dual-layered approach to health monitoring is what makes the Ultra a powerhouse in the world of smartwatches. Let's take a moment to talk about the loop. If you've ever changed the band on an Apple Watch before, you know the drill. There's a small button you press to release the band, and then you simply slide it out and replace it with the new one. It's a straightforward process, but Apple's design makes it feel seamless and intuitive. The loop I have here is an ML size, but you can choose between different sizes depending on your wrist size, which is a nice touch. Now, let's see how it feels on the wrist. I have to say, it's pretty comfortable despite its larger size. The watch sits well on the wrist, and the band feels secure. The weight is noticeable, but not overwhelming. It actually feels like a high-quality, durable device. Let me try to turn it on, but it seems like I might need to charge it first. Unlike my old watch, which came with a bit of charge out of the box, the Ultra seems to need a quick boost before we can dive into the setup. But before we wrap up, let's recap. The Apple Watch Ultra is more than just an upgrade. It's a reimagining of what a smartwatch can be. With its larger display, advanced health sensors, and thoughtful design, it's clear that Apple has poured a lot of innovation into this device. Whether you're an athlete looking for precise health tracking or someone who simply appreciates top-tier tech, the Apple Watch Ultra has something to offer. And remember, this is just the beginning. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into the features, testing out the action button, exploring the different modes, and seeing how this watch performs in real-world scenarios. So, stay tuned for that. If you're considering getting the Apple Watch Ultra, I hope this unboxing has given you a good first look at what to expect. It's a premium product with a premium feel, and I can't wait to explore it further with you all. Thank you for joining me in this unboxing experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates on this incredible device. Until next time, take care